Hey guys, so I went to go get lunch at a sushi restaurant, sushi Korean restaurant. Atlanta's like full of Korean, so there's a ton of things that is Korean, even if it's not like sushi. I don't know, but anyways, I'm going to this coffee shop now to work. I went to Tony Moly, this like Korean cosmetics store, and I bought like a ton of stuff. Got some stuff for my sister for Christmas, or her birthday and Christmas. I don't know, I need to figure that stuff out. But yeah, I bought a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, so I'm going to go to the coffee shop now so that I can get some work done. Hopefully it's not too noisy. It's really busy. So if it is, I'm probably going to leave. But yeah, alright, see ya. So I was gonna film another like talk with me kind of thing, but then my lights and electricity isn't working, and of course since I've been like sleeping my life away, it's working in here but it's not working in my room. But anyway, so since I've been sleeping my life away, it's already dark outside, so I figured I'm gonna do my hair mask while I cook, and I'll show you guys what I'm cooking for the week, change it to something else, and do my hair fast, and I'll show you guys what that looks like before and after as well. I've changed into a dirty shirt. This is a shirt and I got from the Atlanta Hawks game. Go Atlanta Hawks! Go Jeremy Lin! If you know me, you know I'm obsessed. Can somebody please like somehow get me like to meet him? Like, I've been walking around these Atlanta streets and have not seen him once. What is wrong with the world? Like, why are our fates not destined yet? I don't understand. So I'm waiting for the day. Which means it's one more day until my sister's birthday, so I gotta go say happy birthday to her. She's turning 21, so you know I'm getting old, and that means we're going crazy next weekend for her birthday. But in line, because of course Friday night in Atlanta means no matter where you're going, you're gonna have a line. So we were waiting in the little waiting area, and there's this girl who walked in. She's by herself. She seemed very friendly, and I noticed that she had come in by herself, so I was like, part of like my goal this year was, you know, to get comfortable with uncomfortable. Got to eat by myself and stuff, and I thought that was so amazing that she was doing that. So I started talking to her, just like chatting a little bit, and found out that she was actually in town visiting for the first time from Chicago. So Monique invited her to come eat dinner with us, and it was such a great night. We had drinks, we had food, some boba after. So we're at East Hole Coffee Company out here in Atlanta. Check this place out. It's so beautiful. It's Sunday. I got my oil heated up in my pan. Toast with eggs. Burnt the toast a little bit there, but I got that everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend, some red pepper flakes. Got this Sicily lotion, toning lotion for dry skin. Shout out to Liam. Thanks for buying this and getting this for me, Sissy. It's been really good for my skin. I have eczema, as you guys know from my other video, but I have really dry skin, so it's nice to find a toner that also is for dry skin. But yeah, so I'm gonna start getting ready, and then I'll show you guys my makeup look once it's done. Hey guys, done with my look. I'm like way late, so I gotta get going, but yeah, this is my look. What do you guys think? It's a red lip from Urban Decay. I got it last year for Black Friday, I think. With a little bit of a glitter in it. some lashes in, and like a very simple look because the red lip is like the main point of this look, and then I have a lot of highlight because I like highlight and I like glow. So yeah, I'm gonna go put on my outfit, curl my hair a bit as well, and get going to Ponce. I'm not a vlogger. I have 9 subscribers. 9
I can subscribe to you. Make that 10. Double digit.
Another one. Hi guys, we're in Ponce City Market here in Atlanta, and it's warm in here. Look, it's Christmas themed. Yeah, so what are we doing today? We're not going to eat in here. No. So we're just going to walk around.
Go ahead.
Oh, dragging Asian.
I don't like that. Dad, mom's that too. Look at that Asian. Right over there. That's us in a restaurant. Asian American.
Fresh off the boat.
Fresh off the boat. I'd like to call myself Pia Chains Panda Express. It's an oolong milk tea.
First time.
I got the oolong rose. I got the oolong rose milk tea macchiato. Does it top tea time? It tastes like lychee.
Everything tastes like lychee. But chew on the boba, it doesn't taste like any lychee. That's what I'm saying.
Everything's sticky. It's done. But everything's sticky. We're out here in the Atlanta Botanical Gardens, and it's the holiday lights outside. We've been waiting for these holiday lights.
Dice is on the beat.
You're in it.
In Atlanta, we're gonna get some Korean barley. So anyway, you know it's serious. Put your hair up. Salad drop. I feel so much pressure now.
I don't want vegetables.
It's good for you. It's good for you. You have to. Thank you. Ooh, it smells so good. Aw, it's gonna hit this fish down. Oh. Like, now, get the egg going.
Okay, you got it one hand.
Now
Oh my god. I'm sure how you well.
yeah, he taught me well. He taught me with an Easter egg.
Aww.
Yeah, I remember. We were sitting in the car. I was like 7,
He taught me how to crack
That
an
was such a
egg.
fun baby for your dad.
We're running on 3 hours of sleep. And we have a crap ton of stuff in the car for Chrissy's birthday. We're here running around, spending a ton of money on blowing up balloons. So pro tip, if you're gonna go blow up balloons that you bought on Amazon at Party City, it costs $1 a balloon to blow it up. So it costs more to blow up the balloon than it was to buy the balloon. I'm not doing that. So we had to buy the freaking helium tank right here.
Look at that, 9.5-inch helium tank for $20. How much is that?
This is it's the purple one. 4.9 feet. It just says jumbo. Hey guys, so we're at Chrissy's Airbnb for her 21st birthday, and I am just going through rooms to look at things, and check this out. Literally, wow. This is a garage game room. That is so much fun. There is a hockey thing, air hockey, and a foosball table. All right, gonna turn this off. Head over here. What's over here? This is a bathroom. Okay, good to know, good to know. This is what it looks like when you walk inside. This is the kitchen with the microwave and everything. The kitchen island is beautiful. Oh wow, they even stocked everything. Oh wow, they have such pretty glasses and stuff too. This is the living room with the TV. Wow. Wow, let's look outside. Is there a pool? No. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is the dining room table. And they're being quiet up there. What are you guys whispering about? Hi. Oh my god, you guys are so dumb. You guys are going in my video. Okay, so we're going through and scoping rooms for me. This is gonna be mine. Because Kelly, Chow, and Robin are going to be here too. There's a bathroom in it, so it's perfect because then we don't need to bother about other people. I'm
Fun.
And then let's go to the master bedroom where Chrissy's going to be staying. This is the master bedroom. Wow. Talk about luxury. It even has like chandeliers within the light. That's fancy shit. That's not fancy shit. Look, the headboard's like nice and leathery with the glitter pillows. She's not gonna have time, I feel. And I don't want us to do that. That's true. What is this? Oh,
Alright, I'm gonna nurse your stuff in. Where's your keys at?
yeah, it's down. Yeah, downstairs. So nice. One more room. Oh, this is so cute. This little room. All right, we're going to decorate now. Going through this hell to decorate for Chrissy's birthday. It's her 21st birthday. Oh. I should have recorded us struggle busing.
Yeah, you should like take a video on your
21. All right, I'm going to help now.